Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI or ChatGPT for selling stuff or for sales. So first of all guys, I will need you to go to your devices, which are like phones, whatever device that you have, PC, that only requires to have the browser in it. So we only require to have a browser. After that, go to the URL section and then open AI. So let's search for open AI. Here we go. And now here I will click on this try icon in here. So let's click on it. So here we go. Now guys, this page shall open for you. If not, it will open just like a sign up page. So just create an account really quick, really simple. Just have to put your informations, email, password, or you can just sign in using Gmail, Facebook, or Twitter account. Now after we open this, let's try to ask it to write us, like for example, sales email. So write me a simple sales email. So we wait a little bit, subject, increase productivity with our software. Dear name. So this is like a template that you can use for your own emails to attract people and send them this email. So for example, are you tired of spending hours of manual tasks that could be automated? Our software can help you increase productivity and streamline your workflow. Our platform offers a range of features, including automated data entries, so it goes all the way down. You can here just change it by your name and here the name of the receiver of this email. And here we go. Of course, you can give it also some informations to add to this email. You can give it even the product that you are selling, and it will automatically change all of these lines to the things that will be specifically fitting your products and stuff that you're selling in your company. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually use AI or ChatGPT in order to write you like simple sales email. Thank you a lot for this thank you all for watching and see you in the next tutorial.